What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I have to discuss something because this is literally, I see this all the time, and if you guys are not aware of this or don't think about it, then I think you're doing it wrong, in my opinion anyways. Maybe not, but what do I want to talk about in this video? So right now, as you guys might be aware, Bitcoin is kind of pumping. I would say that we're right now at $39,000, slightly over. And this is what it's just fascinating what we see all the time, and this is something I keep on warning you guys all the time, but despite that I just see literally now millions and millions and millions of people are buying Bitcoin right now at $39,300, a bit higher than that. Now what is it that I want to say now, guys? If you follow many other YouTubers, especially the big ones out there, okay, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, they were titling and making videos saying Bitcoin is going to $20,000, Bitcoin is going to $10,000, and all this bearish sentiment that has been coming from them in the last 2 weeks. And right now, when Bitcoin is $39,000, they are all saying Bitcoin is going to pump next to 50,000, to 60,000, or to the moon. And literally, guys, I don't know what to say, because I don't understand in the first place. Those people have literally a huge audience, okay, big following, and I guess people like following people, or people want to hear what they want to hear, right? A lot of people are biased because they hold Bitcoin, and if someone says it's going to the moon, they feel great about it, and I think that's human nature, right? And I mean, I also wish or want Bitcoin to go to the moon. However, for me personally, I like to be more realistic and not biased, and that's something very important, because things like this, bias like this, are the ones that get people wrecked, okay? And I'll give you a very simple example, okay? As I said 2 weeks ago, when Bitcoin fell down to like $30,000, they were making videos claiming that Bitcoin is going to fall to 20,000, and of course it's all possible, right? But when something like that happens, what do you see, or what do I see? Put it this way, what do I see when something like that happens? I was actually making a video telling you guys that I started to buy some more Bitcoin when that happened. However, I do think there is a potential chance that we could see lower. Now, so far we didn't go lower, but I still do believe there is a possibility. Of course, everything is possible, guys. We can go up from here and no more in the 30s or in the 29s. And from here we're going straight up. Who knows? It's all possible, guys. But the point what I'm trying to say is that it's very simple. When there's a huge drop like that, to be bearish on top of the huge drop is just simply not something, in my mind, it just doesn't make sense, right? If you want to sell Bitcoin when Bitcoin fell down like 40-50%, then I don't know what to tell you. This might not be for you guys, because as we, at the time when we had this major drop, I was clearly telling you guys that I would not be selling Bitcoin or my crypto at that levels, because I'm just trying to watch a chart. We're still around 39,300. Because I definitely wouldn't sell after a huge drop when you drop down to a major support level, okay? That is just something that does not make sense. But I guess most people that they have this fear just sell it because they're panicking, they are in a loss, and they just want to get out because they're worried they will lose more. But what is my point with this video? This video is not here to tell you what's going to happen next. This video is very, very simple, and I know most people think the opposite what I'm about to say now. When we have a pump like this, me personally, I'm looking for sell opportunities, for short opportunities, because I would not long into a pump like this. And it's just fascinating to see how many people, literally millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars coming in at those highs right now. And it's just crazy to believe it, but this is the way it works, right? This is the way it works. People are literally buying millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin at $39,000. Now, again, we're talking about trading, okay? So naturally, after a pump like this, I am expecting some sort of retracement or a little bit of a downtrend, that's for sure, at least. I mean, we could still go slightly higher. I'm not saying that's not possible, but I would never buy into such a huge pump. And if it does go up, I'd rather not take the risk, the gamble, than buying in a pump like this, and who knows what can happen. However, guys, what I do want to say is that a week ago, 2 weeks ago, when they were all bearish calling for 20k Bitcoin, all these top YouTubers, they were telling you to short Bitcoin at those lows. And it just doesn't make sense, because now they want to buy when it's 39,000. But 2 weeks ago, they were all telling you to short Bitcoin at those levels. So it just simply doesn't add up to me. And this is what I'm trying to warn you guys. It's very simple. Well, it's not simple, but it comes down to this, guys. When the price goes up, you look for sells, for shorts, whether you're trading or you're holding, okay? As I've always said, you do not want to buy the pumps. You want to buy the dumps. And I know it's easier said than done, and I keep on saying it on every single video, but I just can't believe what I see all the time. How many people are buying the pumps? And I think this dumb money is actually needed in the market, because no disrespect to anyone, but if we don't have these dumb investors coming in, then the smart or knowledgeable investors can't make money, right? Because we need them to fill orders. But to my audience out there, guys, be smart. Do not buy the pumps. The risk is just too high for me. I mean, of course, if there's a pump, it can still go higher. I'm not saying that's not possible. However, is it worth it for the risk-reward ratio? Ask yourself that. And if it is, then go ahead and do it, guys. This video is not advice. This is just my thoughts, okay? And I just see this all the time. It's just fascinating to see people are buying the tops all the time. 2 weeks ago, nobody wanted to buy Bitcoin at $29,000. Right now, when Bitcoin is $39,000, $10,000 are higher than that, suddenly everyone wants to buy Bitcoin. Ask yourself this. Are you doing it right, or are you doing it wrong? That's all I want to leave you with, guys, okay? So if you enjoy this tip, this info, this is just my thoughts, my opinions. This is just from what I've been around, what I've seen around. And guys, as I've said, I don't know if I've said this, but when I started doing this kind of thing, I did follow that kind of herd, all right? And I've learned my lesson through that way. And I've learned so much since then that, guys, me personally, I do not buy pumps. It's just something that I've learned from experience, and in general, 95 or 98% of the times it works for me. And you know the saying, 95% of people that trade lose the money. It's simply because they do this kind of methods, all right? They buy the pumps and sell the dumps. And that's something that I think most, especially retail people, are the brain is just programmed to do that, okay? So that's something you have to be aware of. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe, and let's see you on the next video. Bye now.